Hi everyone, it's Deborah and I'm coming on to show you all my projects from last week. This is the third time I've tried to film this today, so hopefully third time is a charm. So last week I showed you in a Dollar Tree haul that I purchased this little book and I wanted to turn it into a journal. And I wish I could remember what I recorded on the last two videos that I filmed today, but I can't. But I do know that I am going to turn this into a gratitude journal for myself, and the prompts will be the letters of the alphabet. Okay, so here is what I made with the mini cinch and the regular cinch. Is I used a 1-inch binder, so I had to crimp it or whatever you call it on that binder. But anyway, these are the sheets. The book is intact, and then this is 6x6 paper. This book is great for using your 6x6 paper. This is some 6x6 paper that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I used the entire pack. So, but you could go in and write on here on this side what you're grateful for, for things that start with a D. Okay. Or you could do this as a project book, future projects you want to make. You know, there's so many things you could do with the prompting of those letters. Tell me below what you would use it for. But anyway, I'm going to do a quick flip through and then we'll get on to everything else. Okay. Super cute though. And it was so easy to put together. And I'm getting better at using the cinch now. So anyway, just a quick flip through showing you, you know, the story is intact and everything, and it's just so darling. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And it will be my journal. And I can, you know, I left a lot of room in it, so I can definitely bulk it up and add whatever I want to make it. But I think it's super cute. Just super cute. Anyway, let's move on. So on that note, I did make these cute little mini albums with the cinch. And this is with the mini cinch. And these do not have chipboard in them at all. Sorry, I had to get a sip of my coffee. But anyway, all I did is used up the rest of the paper that I had from a 6x6 pad, Easter pad. It's an Echo Park pad, I believe. Yeah, it is because the paper's thinner. But I just chopped it up, made these little 3x4 albums, mini albums. They're not mini albums, they're just little notebooks. So something you can throw in your purse and, you know, jot down memories, whatever. You know, sometimes I think these would be good for if you are a, you know, junk journaler, to jot down to add to your main junk journal. Let's say you're out and about and you want to add something and you just want to jot down a note, then you can do it there in this. But that's one of them. And then I won't do a flip through. They're just the same, but the covers and the back covers are different, but the same exact concept. And then I had a bunch of little leftovers, so to speak, of 2x3 cards in paper, and I just made these cute little notebooks, and same concept as the 3x4, but you know, just on a smaller scale, 2x3. And I think they're super, super, super cute. Yep, there you go, front and back. Okay, and then I did finish up another paper pad the Doodlebug paper pad, and I went ahead and cut out all the cut aparts and put them in these little envelopes. And I will finish decorating the envelopes. I think these might be good for swaps. All they have in each one of them is cut aparts. And this is just a little seed packet. And then here, another envelope. I made the envelopes on my envelope punch board. Okay, so this is something I want to show you that I made. These cute little junior notepads, and I purchased these at Dollar General, 3 for $1. And I plan on Friday's Craft Fair Friday, I plan on showing you 3 different types of notebooks that you can make to sell at a craft fair. And this is one of them. Super easy. And these paper flowers are actually from Michael's. I didn't make those, but you certainly could make yours for sure. Okay. So cute. And then here's some more that I made, and I used that trim from, this is from not Joann's, I'm sorry. And I don't even want to go on that tangent on Joann's. I'm so sorry that they're closing. It's just awful for everyone, employees, everyone. But anyway, this is trim for Hobby Lobby, and I made those. Super cute, super easy. Anyway, I will be covering that on Friday. So that is it for today, guys. I did quite a bit. I do have some UFO projects, unfinished object projects that I need to work on, but that will happen eventually. You remember the little bunny-shaped Easter album? That is one of the unfinished objects. So sad, so sad, so sad. But anyway, what do you think? What is your favorite project? Comment below and let me know. This is going to be a quick video because I've already tried to tape it 3 times. Oh, by the way, look. I bought this off of Etsy. I finally found where you get these things and what they are, and I bought one. So it came with this cute little stand. So if you're at a show or something, you can, put that on your table. Super cute, though. Now, I probably should have done a lighter background, but purple's my favorite color. I probably should have done purple and turquoise because those are my favorite colors. Anyway, guys, have a great day. We'll see you Friday. Bye.